Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to turn on Siri with side button. So to activate Siri using the side button, also known as the power button on your iPhone, you'll have to go to the settings app in your iPhone device. So in the settings app, scroll down and tap on the accessibility option available there. So once you tap on the accessibility, scroll down till you find the option Siri and tap on it. So scroll down and tap on the Siri. And make sure that the Hey Siri option is toggled on. Make sure that the Siri listen for Hey Siri or listen for Siri option is toggled on. Then after that, go back again and go to the side button option available there. And in side button, tap on Siri from press and hold to the side button. Activate the Siri using the side button. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.